Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings. This keeps the process secure and immediate. Once in Settings, tap Wallpaper to access the built-in controls. This is faster than editing from photos. Make sure you decide whether you want the lock screen, the home screen, or both, because that affects layout and widget visibility. You may want to check that dark mode or perspective zoom is off if you prefer a consistent look. Now tap Browse to pick an image. Now you select an image from Photos or Apple's Wallpapers. Higher resolution prevents blurring on Retina displays. Once chosen, use Move and Scale, pinch to zoom or drag to frame the subject where app icons won't obscure it. Toggle perspective zoom if you want subtle parallax. Turn it off for a static image that won't shift. After framing, tap Set and pick Set Home Screen so the change applies only to the home view. This preserves your lock screen if you want it unchanged. You finish by returning to the home screen to confirm the wallpaper looks correct and that icons remain readable. Make sure widgets and dock contrast well against the image. If icons appear hard to see, try a different photo, increase contrast in accessibility, or toggle Reduce Transparency in Settings to improve legibility. If the wallpaper doesn't save or reverts, restart the iPhone and repeat the Set Home Screen step. This resolves most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.